This is a lip sync video. I will show you how to create exact copy of it.
These AI avatars have perfect lip sync, studio lighting, and took a few minutes to make. No green screen, no camera, just two tools. Here's exactly how to build one from scratch. Before we start, this will not give you real-time avatars, custom voice cloning in 5 seconds, free unlimited renders. What you will get: photorealistic avatars, 10-minute video capacity, lip sync that actually matches. 4 steps. Build your studio reference, generate your avatar image, create your audio script, sync, and render the final video. Let's start. First, find a studio vibe you like. I'm pulling from a tech review channel, but you could use podcast setups, office backgrounds, even minimalist rooms. Pause on a clean frame, screenshot it, save it. This is how your reference image should look like. Avoid busy backgrounds with text, extreme angles, low-resolution images. You want clean lighting, centered space, and a clear subject area. And yes, you can upload your own photo instead. Just make sure it's high-res and well-lit. The AI will match the style either way. The first thing we need is a prompt. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write a prompt for an AI image generator. We need this to put our own character in the studio scene. You can add a female or male character depending on what you like. Example: prompt. Write a prompt for a realistic 30-year-old male sitting naturally in a modern studio setup with soft lighting. It'll give you something detailed. Now, for this step, I'm using Hedra because it lets me generate the image and sync the video in one place. You could use other third-party AI models, but that adds extra steps. Why I'm doing it here: Hedra has Nano Banana Pro built in, which is trained specifically for avatar generation. It understands studio setup and natural sitting pose better than general models. Here's the setup. Model Nano Banana Pro, paste your prompt, upload your reference image aspect ratio, 16:9, YouTube standard. Resolution, 4K, hit generate. This takes about 2 minutes.
This is a lip sync video. I will show you how to create exact copy of it.
Here's the result. Notice, lighting matches the reference pose is natural, background is clean but detailed. If the face looks off, zoom in tighter on the reference image before uploading. The AI needs a clear focal point. Also, try adding photorealistic, natural expression to your prompt. Pro tip: generate 2 to 3 variations with slightly different prompts. Pick the one with the most natural eye contact and neutral expression. Those sync better. Now we turn this into a talking video. Click Create a talking 10-minute video. Select your avatar image from the library. For audio, you have 3 options. Generate AI voice, what I'm doing. Upload your own voiceover. Record live. Yes, if you upload your own audio, the lip sync still works. Just make sure it's clear audio with minimal background noise. I'm generating AI voice because it's faster for testing. Paste your script. You get 5,000 characters. That's about 10 minutes of speech. Pick a voice. I'm using professional male, neutral. Voice selection matters. Casual voices, better for storytelling. Professional voices, better for tutorials. Energetic voices, better for sales promo. For the video prompt, keep it simple. Avatar talking naturally. Don't overcomplicate this. The model knows what to do. Now, model selection. You have 2 options. Hedra Avatar, best lip sync, static camera, Hedra Omnia, lifelike dialogue, camera movement. This is where doing it inside Hedra saves time. Other platforms make you export, re-upload, and manually sync. Here, it's one click. Settings, model, Hedra Avatar. Resolution, 720p for faster render or 1080p for the best quality. Render time guide, 720p, 15-20 minutes, 1080p, 25 to 35 minutes. Start with 720p to test. Re-render in 1080p once you're happy. Hit generate, go make coffee. This takes 15 to 20 minutes. Here's the final output. Notice one thing: lips match for every syllable, no floating jaw, natural micro movements. If your first render has sync issues, zoom in tighter on the face when generating the avatar image. Use Hedra Avatar model, not Omnia, for static shots. Make sure your audio is clear. Mumbling breaks sync. Common mistake: using a wide shot. The AI needs a clear view of the mouth. Zoom in to chest up framing. When to use Hedra Omnia instead? You want camera movement, zoom, pan. You need dynamic expressions, laughing, surprised. You're doing dialogue between characters. For static talking head tutorials like this, stick with Hedra Avatar. Quick recap. Screenshot a studio reference, generate your avatar with Nano Banana Pro, add your script and voice, render with a Hedra Avatar model. That's it. 20 minutes, no camera, no editing. If you want to follow along with the exact setup I used, I'll leave the Hedra link below. Now go build your own lip sync avatar.